In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer a domain to Hostinger step by step. Transferring your domain can seem daunting, but with Hostinger it's actually quite straightforward. If you're ready, let's get started and make this process as seamless as possible. First, you'll want to navigate to Hostinger's website. Hostinger is a reliable hosting service that offers an ideal platform to bring your online ideas to life. Once there, you'll encounter a user-friendly interface designed to make domain management effortless. Simply enter the website URL into your browser and hit enter. You'll be greeted with Hostinger's main page, which prominently features an invitation to log in and manage your domains. Next, you'll need to log into your Hostinger account. There should be a login option clearly displayed on the site. Click on it and enter your credentials to access your account. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to create one. Ensure you use a valid email and a strong password to keep your account secure. Logging in is essential as it allows you to manage your domains and perform the transfer process directly from your dashboard. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to your Hostinger dashboard, commonly referred to as the H panel. This is where you can manage not only your domains but also your hosting services in a centralized location. To initiate the transfer process, you'll need to navigate to the domains section within your H panel. This section lists all domains associated with your account, along with various management options. After clicking on domains, look for the option labeled Transfers. Click on Transfers and you'll be taken to a new page where you can initiate the transfer of your domain to Hostinger. Here you'll need to enter the domain you want to transfer. Before proceeding, make sure that your domain is unlocked and you have the necessary EPP code from your current registrar, which you will typically use to authorize the transfer. Moving forward with the domain transfer, Hostinger will guide you through the process. This usually involves confirming some important details about the domain, validating your request, and possibly verifying your identity to ensure the security of the transfer. Keep a close eye on your email as there may be confirmation emails requiring your attention. It's important to note that domain transfers can take a couple of days to complete depending on the response times of your current registrar and the specific protocols they follow. Check back regularly in your Hostinger dashboard to monitor the status of your domain transfer, and there you have it. That's how you transfer a domain to Hostinger. It's pretty straightforward once you break it down into these manageable steps. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful in making your domain transfer a success. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments.